Hello everyone. I'll try to introduce myself. My name is Rajiv Iryadi. You just call me Rajiv. No, I am studying at Master of Forestry Gajah Mada University. At this moment, this video, I will share or inform you about the one of tourism location in Bali Island. Wow! we must know about the Bali Island. Yes, Bali Island is very famous place in the world, I think, because some tourism in other foreigners of the local tourism is enthusiasm from the visiting to Bali. Because that Bali is very wonderful place from natural culture and people from there is very welcome to other. I think we will think about the Bali Island. We must to relate it to the beach condition, right? Besides that, I will to inform you some location is very nice, very fresh, very cool, and very nature in the Bali location. Is the center of the Bali. I think this is the center of Bali, and this elevation, I think approximately 1,200 meter from the level. I think this condition is very cool and fresh from here. And this location called Mayo. What's it? This is a Bali Botanical Garden. Yeah. Do you ever hear about the Bali Botanical Garden? Okay. If you never to get information about the Bali Botanic Garden, I have some information, and I think this perhaps this information make you sure about information of Bali Botanical Garden and make you interest to visiting the Bali Botanical Garden. Why I choose the Bali Botanical Garden? And the reason I think the Bali Botanical Garden is very nice place to tourism entertaining from the person or family recreation. And this place is my workstation in here. I think I will be to promote this location for you, and I hope you just visiting and interesting to come to visit to Bali Botanic Garden. Okay, I will to introduce about the short story about Bali Botanical Garden. This Bali Botanical Garden is first botanical garden in Indonesia because this established the national people from Indonesia, and this is the large botanical garden in Indonesia because this garden has the 150 hectare location consists from the 3 species and some building to cover or to serve all the worker and other tourism from here. I think this short history about the Bali Botanical Garden, and this the Bali Botanical Garden having a mission to conservation, and this location is the conservation from the plants and endangered and existing from the nature in the collection from this Bali Botanical Garden. And is the site that is the location for research, for education, and from the tourism. This the last point is the tourism is location is very entertaining and very wonderful from the visiting from the Bali Botanical Garden. I think it is possible and very very useful from the healing process from your if you are daily to walking to the city on Denpasar, on the Bedugul, on the Singaraja, on the other city in the Indonesia. I think must be visiting to the Bali Botanical Garden. It must be to the healing your mind, and this condition is very fresh and cool in here. I think what's next? Oh, the location. The Bali Botanic Garden is location at the Tabanan Regency. Its access is easy because this near to the main road about this trek to Denpasar to Singaraja is the main route is from the near to Bali Botanical Garden. And if you visiting this Bali Botanical Garden, you just must be paid to enter to 20,000 per person if the working day. If you visiting on the weekend or holiday, you just pay 30,000 per person. And other additional paid in this location, you just visiting more information from the website kebunraya.id. I think this information about the location and how to enter this Bali Botanical Garden. And for not long or wasting time to our describe or information, I think this video next I will show about the interest place inside to Bali Botanic Garden, and some consist from the thematic garden in Bali Botanic Garden, and some open green space so the play around of your family or son, because this place is very late, so you walk around or you play together from the Bali Botanic Garden. Okay, let's you see this video. Bali Botanic Garden is located in the center of Bali Island, where is part of Tabanan Regency. This is the main gate of the Bali Botanical Garden. This is called a Candi Bentar, which is symbolized of big doors. Bali Botanical Garden has a large open area space, where often is used to outbound and family gathering. After entering on main gate, you can see the display statue that tells about Rama and Sinta. The Asian legend of the Ramayana is a traditional story of victory good over evil. And this is our orchid garden. There are wild orchid collections that are native from Indonesia. This is a type of orchid that is classified as rare, unique, and endemic. This is Begonia Garden. And this garden is consists of the most complete collection of begonia in the world. These are arranged according to their habitat, and this consists of 273 types of begonia collection. Sakura trees are very famous in Japan. Because of tradition, it's Hanami. You can find and enjoy it at Bali Botanical Garden. And usually, sakura in Bali blooms twice a year, and usually in February and August. Okay guys, you don't worry if you want to have a night to Bali Botanical Garden. There are some lodging or hotel in here. If you want to the traditional interest, you must try to spend the night in Ethnobotany Guest House. This location near with the lake view. You can also find other thematic garden and other interesting location, such as cactus garden. You can also see the collection of cactus. You can see about the trees of rhododendron, and the bamboo garden is a collection of bamboo on here. And other Cyathea garden is the fern collection and very interesting because it's such as the Jurassic condition setting. Conservatory is the collection about the trees and plant species of evolutionary. Okay, thanks to watching our video. I will thanks to Kebun Raya Bali channel YouTube to support the material from this video and information about the Bali Botanical Garden. And I will thanks to Mr. Tommy Listianto to support and lecture us to this homework and this academic English from this class. And I hope this information get more information about the Bali Botanical Garden for you guys. And would you like to share my video about this Bali Botanical Garden for your friend, for your family, and for your college to make there more inspiration from the visiting to Bali, get the Bali Botanical Garden. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.